listening, and I'm going to give it a try on my old tablet. Let's see if she works. All right. Welcome back, everyone. I've been not doing yoga and stretching for a couple days, and it's time to get back into it. Hope you enjoy it. Much love. The weather is perfect now. It's perfect. The sun's behind the clouds. And I just need to stretch my body because I've been feeling like kind of like tight in areas and stuff. So let's get into position. Stretch your legs. I stretch them this way first. Yeah, my back, my legs. My back. I saw some interesting things that on from yoga and stuff that will help you in certain areas. So how to, depending on what your goal is, you be more flexible, more stronger, whatever it is, right? There's different exercises for it. So I just wanted like do a regular soft stretching because I haven't done it in a couple days. So and I can really feel it right in here, my where my legs start. So I'm just gonna turn just. Oh yeah, I feel that. I don't want to too. Let's do some of those leg workouts. It seems like the camera's like doing it slow or something. String on me. Alright. This grass isn't really, so I'm gonna stretch my arms, my shoulders. The carpet. I get position. I do the stretch those legs. And do a couple of those. Forward. Mosquitoes aren't too bad yet. There's a nice breeze. It's cooled down a lot. It was like 34 degrees. Now it's, I don't know what the temperature is now. Let's do that one. This does really help me. Just relax. Straighten out the back. Let's do a couple of these. Leg workouts. I haven't done it in a while. I don't even know. Should I go? This. isn't flat here. You can hang on to it with your hand. Oh, I can really feel the bottom of it. It's just stretching the back of the leg too. All the mosquitoes are starting. As I said, they're not anything. It's good. I'm gonna, yeah, it's to this side. I can't do this too long because mosquitoes do come this time of the night. I can really feel it in here, in the back. Yeah, kind of out of shape already. Way out of shape. Just gonna scratch the back. Yeah, you can really feel it in here. It does make you more flexible. I think we're gonna probably end it there. And these are good stretches too. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. We made it to 8 minutes. Have a good day. Peace out. Love. Gotta do a little bit every day. Have a good day. Myself.